What's your opinion on the Elect show so far?
Shit. Really disappointed that Brad came, but other than that, it's been a good day.
What about you, Leon?
It's been a bit disappointing. I haven't seen many TikTok creators I like. Brad's here, obviously,
Which is disappointing.
which is disappointing massively.
Man like Yuri.
Right.
Leon's just bought the Dragon Ball Z orange Vito bag.
ITD orange.
Oh, sorry, ITD orange. Goodies secured from the Elect show. Coffee mug. Couple of notepads there, keep me going. There's some LED strip sets in there. Some silicone. Good little haul.